Hi friends, this is Advocate Priya and today I have brought something very special for you, and that is chicken chips recipe, which is really innovated by me. And now without wasting time, let's start. This is what we are going to need for the chicken chips recipe. This is 500 grams of frozen chicken. This is cornflour powder. This is cornflakes. This is all-purpose flour. These are the oreganos which we are using. This is the chili flakes, chili sauce, salt according to the taste, pinch of color. This is red color, garlic ginger paste, and some quantity of vinegar. After seeing the ingredients, now let's start with the main recipe. Our main recipe, we need the chicken. Now here I have taken the boneless chicken which is in the pieces. What we need to do is we need to roll this chicken. Now why we roll this chicken? We roll this chicken because our recipe is chicken chips. That is what we are doing. We are taking it in a chips form. So what I am doing now, I am starting with the recipe. This is the entire chicken what I am transferring to my bowl. This entire chicken I have made thin, slim with the rolling pin. Now I am transferring the entire chicken to my bowl. Now one by one we are going to add our ingredients. This is all-purpose flour. This is the all-purpose flour. Now I am adding it. You need to add nearby 2 to 3 spoons so that it will bind your chicken. Now this is our next ingredient. This is cornflour powder. This will also go 2 to 3 spoons. This is the main ingredient, I guess. Now we are going to add the oreganos. This is going to give you a really very nice taste. So this is 2 spoons I am putting. Now the red chili flakes according to your taste. I am putting it 2 spoons. Red chili sauce according to your taste. Some salt, pinch of salt for the taste. Now goes my favorite thing in the recipe, that is the food color, which makes the food really look very nice. The main ingredient, again I will say, this is the ginger garlic paste, which has to be there in our recipe. And now our last ingredient, this is vinegar. Vinegar will add some quality taste to your recipe. This is some quantity I am using it. Now what we are going to do, we are going to just add this entire thing in a bowl and we are going to set it for marination at least for 2 hours. Guys, please see that your chicken is frozen. The chicken is frozen. The reason behind that is your chicken will get softer when you fry this chicken. So that is why you need the chicken to be frozen one. And after that you need to marinate it at least for the 2 hours, and then it's ready to fry. Before frying, what we are going to do is we are going to roll this chicken in the cornflakes. Now here, this is the thing which we took. So this is the cornflakes, and here we are going to roll this chicken in the cornflakes, and now it's ready to get fried. Now we are frying our chicken chips. Now we are going to fry this on the high flame. Chicken is really golden brown, and now we are going to transfer it into the bowl. Take some tissue paper so that your extra oil will be absorbed by the tissue paper. See how soft, tender and juicy chicken it looks, and outside layer is fully crispy. So let's enjoy. Now let's plate your chicken. If you like my recipe chicken chips, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.